To page 648 if you haven't already. I am going to mute all of you so that I don't hear you in the background of my video. And let's get started. Okay, so in our last lesson, we learned about triangles and trapezoids. Do you guys remember that? We learned about triangles and trapezoids. This whole chapter we're learning about shapes and how many sides and how many vertices they have. So we learned that squares and rectangles both have 4 sides and 4 vertices. Remember, vertices are corners. So like our math book is a rectangle. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. We learned that the only thing that makes squares and rectangles different is that squares have 4 sides that are all the same length, and rectangles have 4 sides, but 2 of them are long and 2 of them are short. Then in our last lesson, we learned about triangles and trapezoids. Triangles have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Trapezoids also have 4 sides and 4 vertices, but only 2 of the sides are the same length. The bottom line is long, the top line is short. So in this chapter, this lesson, we are going to learn about circles. So I'm going to read this little piece at the top where you see that highlighted word. It says, circles are 2 sides does a circle have? How many sides do we think a circle has? Christian? 0. A circle doesn't have any sides. That next sentence says a circle has 0 sides and 0 vertices. A circle, there's no straight lines in a circle. There's no corners on a circle. It's all round. So, let's take a look at number 1. That shape is a circle. We just talked about it has 0 sides and 0 vertices. So for that first one, we can write 0 and 0. It's pretty easy. There are no straight lines and no vertices on a circle. Right? We are on page 648. So we're not going to do all 4 of these ones because it's pretty easy. But let's take a look at number 4. So we're going to skip 2 and 3. Let's look at number 4. Find the number 4. What is that? What is that picture next to number 4? It's a circle, but what is it? Does anybody know? Next to number 4, this red thing. What is that? Amika, what is it?
It's a button.
A button. A button is a circle, so that's just giving us an example of a circle in real life. That's what we're looking at there. But it still is the same. It still has 0 sides and 0 vertices. Right? So we skipped 2 and 3 because they both would have been 0 and 0 too. We just did 1 and 4. 0 and 0. Now I want you guys to go ahead and do page 649 on your own. Take about 2 minutes and do page 649 on your own. For 5, 6, 7, and 8, you're listing the sides and the vertices. For number 9, you're circling all the circles. And number 10, circle all the closed circles. Go ahead and take about 2 minutes to do that, and then we'll do the back together. Go ahead and do that. Yes, honey?
What page are we?
Page 649. Yes, Sorboni, do you have a question? Sorboni, what's your question? You gotta unmute yourself, honey.
Sabrowski.
Just a minute. Somebody else is asking a question. Yes, Sorboni?
I said I already did.
Oh, okay, then just wait. Yes, Ziad?
Is it okay if we circle the pie and this?
Yep, you're circling all of the shapes that are a circle. All of the shapes that are a circle you can circle.
Sabrowski.
Yes. What?
The page that we're supposed to be on.
It should be 649. 649. It looks like this.
I'm done.
Okay, you don't need to announce it. Just wait.
Steve,
Yes.
you glitch. You glitch because I could, so now I can see it.
What?
It glitched so I couldn't see it.
Honey, how about you ask your mom to help you? Ask somebody to open your book to page 649 for you. Because everybody else is almost done with the page already.
I said let's get more money done.
Okay, and then you just need to wait. Okay. Oh, excuse me, boys and girls. All right, who can tell me what's the answer to number 5? Number 5. How many sides and vertices does number 5 have? Number 5. Lima.
Zero. My sister won.
Yep, 0 sides and 0 vertices. So for number 5, you should have 0 and 0. What about number 6?
It's harassment.
Number 6. What, Christian?
My sister won.
Okay. Number 6, Tharea. What's the answer to number 6?
Zero.
Yep, 0 sides, 0 vertices. Mariah, did you do this page? Yes. Okay, what about number 7? Number 7, we have a button. We have a button. How many sides and vertices does that shape have? Sorboni. Yep. Same thing. 0 sides, 0 vertices. And number 8. Number 8. You should be picking up on a pattern by now. How many sides and vertices does number 8 have? Number 8. Ziad. You have to unmute yourself, honey.
0.
Yep. Good. 0 sides, 0 vertices. Okay. Let's take a look at number 9. What?
What page is it again?
Page 649. Not answering that question again, so I hope everybody heard it. Number 9. Which shapes do we have there that are circles? Who can tell me one of them? Who can tell me one of them? Mohammed. You have to. There you go.
0 sides, 0 vertices.
Nope, we're looking at number 9, Mohammed. Number 9. Which of those shapes is a circle?
The pie.
The pie is one of them. The pie is one of them. Who can tell me another one? What's the other one that's a circle? Lima. You have to unmute yourself, honey.
That circle.
That red circle, yeah. So you should have circled the pie and that red circle at the end. Because that A block, that block with the A on it, is a square, and that yield road sign is a triangle. Good. Now let's look at the number 10. Let's look at the number 10. It wanted us to circle all of the closed shapes. All of the closed shapes. So give me a thumbs up if it's a closed shape and a thumbs down if it is not. That very first one, that red half circle, is that a closed shape? Yes or no? Nope, it is not. So we will skip that one. What about that green circle? Is it a closed shape? That second picture there? Yeah. Yeah, we have a green closed circle there. So we can go ahead and put a circle around that one. What about the next one, that purple circle? Is it closed or not? Closed or not closed? It is closed. Yes, good Ibrahim, good Mohammed, good Sorboni. That is a closed circle, so you can put a circle around it. What about that blue one? That blue circle. Give me a thumbs up if it is closed. Give me a thumbs down if it is not. Very good, boys and girls. It is an open shape. You can get into it in that top part. What about the next one, the red one? Is that red one closed or open? Good. Put a circle around it. It is closed. What about that yellow circle? That next one, that yellow circle. Very good. And then our last one is open. So you should have circled 4 of the shapes. We should have circled 4 of those shapes. Very good. All right, let's flip over to the back. Go ahead and flip to page 650. Page 650. Just flip your page 1. We're right on the back of that. I'm going to read number 11 up at the top. Number 11. It says, I am a 2-dimensional shape that has no sides and no vertices. What shape am I? So what shape is that? What shape has no sides and no vertices? Sraboni.
Circle.
A circle. So on that line, you are going to write the word circle. Just like that. Give me a thumbs up when you have that copied down. You want to draw a circle and write the word circle. Good, Tharea. Good, Mabuba. Good, Ziad.
Mr. Browski,
Yes, Christian.
I don't think none of those are on my page.
You what?
I don't think none of them is on the page.
What do you mean none of them are on the page?
I think they're not in there because the map was supposed to start at 1, and then it's not starting at 1. It's a higher level, and it's 5.
Let me see your book. Show me like the side of it. Like this. Show it to me like this. You have the right book, Christian. You have the correct book. You should be on page 650. 650. Okay, let's read the next one. Number 12 says, draw a picture of a 2-dimensional shape and write how many sides and how many vertices it has. So I want you guys to do that one on your own. Number 12, pick any shape we've learned about so far. A square, a rectangle, a triangle, a circle, a trapezoid. Pick one of those 5 shapes and draw a picture of it and then write how many sides and how many vertices it has. And then I'm going to have you show it to me.
Mr. Browski.
Yes, Christian. After you draw your shape, show it to me. Good, Mariah.
Mr. Browski, I'm not done with number 11.
You just have to write the word circle. Christian, what, honey? I cannot help you get to the right page. You have to have somebody there help you. Good, Maram. Good, Sraboni. What?
I'm on the right page, but how do you spell circle?
Just draw a picture of a circle for that one and go to the next one. Yes, Lima.
Mr. Browski, I'm not done with number 11.
Honey, just do number 12.
Where? I already did number 12.
Show it to me then. Okay, good. What, Lima? Write it underneath number 12.
I'm done.
Good. Show it to me then. You don't need to tell me you're done. Just show me. Good, Ziad. Good, Tharea. What, Mariah?
I log off.
No.
Browski.
What?
I don't eyes and smile on it.
You what?
Yeah. I don't eyes. I
Oh,
don't
very
eyes.
cool.
So
Okay, so if you already showed me your picture, Then your homework for this week is page 651 and 652, that next page. Remember to please turn it in. I only got 7 people's homeworks from last week. So please, please, please either send me a picture of it over Class Dojo or send it to me through Showbie.